Hi class, I hope you're doing okay. Just want to check in about kind of up and coming stuff. So basically you guys are doing the posts this week on Facebook, kind of invasion and kind of selling our information to the highest bidder kind of thing. And you're also doing the cool thing about cooperatives and kibbutzisms and kind of that model. And so we're going to continue that discussion on the 16th because we're going to have a visitor from the Arizmendi Co-op, which is this really cool cooperative. You might have gone there and gotten bread. They're on 4th Street in San Rafael, and there's about 6 or 7 Arizmendis throughout the Bay Area, and they also follow the Mondragon cooperative model, which was mentioned in Daniel's article. So it's a great business model. I don't know how much you really know about cooperatives because they're not really talked about that much in the society, but they make up a lot of industry. A few years ago, one of the Project Censored stories highlighted that one of the fastest growing business model was the cooperative model, so that's pretty cool. So we're going to be doing that on the 16th. So this week, the 9th, I'm not going to hold class. There'll be no class. What I want you to do is I want you to prepare in your junk food groups a 3 to 5 minute presentation that you'll also give to the class on the 16th. So we'll do part of the time with the worker from the Arizmendi Co-op and part of the time each of you sharing, very informal, just 3 to 5 minutes. Closer to 3 is fine. So if there's 2 of you in the group or 3 of you in the group, what was your junk and what were we missing as a result of paying attention to junk? And so that's what we'll do. So we won't meet on the 9th, but we will meet on the 16th, and that's what we'll take care of. And then that'll be our last class. We won't have an actual final in person. What I'll have for you is a self-evaluation for you to fill out and upload to the module by the 22nd of May at midnight, because that's when the Canvas shell is going to close. So I'll have you do that, and then those will be the last bits of work that you're going to be doing. And don't forget, you're uploading your junk food draft to tomorrow by midnight. Make sure you've got all your sources listed, because that's the thing that I can't track down if I don't know what you used. So make sure that the links and the citations are all in order so that I can work my way through them and check them. All right, so I think that's it. I hope you guys are having a nice night. I just wanted to let you know that that's what's happening, and I'll see you a week from Thursday in class, but between now and then, email me, check in with me. Happy to talk to you about anything that's going on. All right, take care.